Class 3rd. Today we will study English grammar, Collins English grammar. The lesson number is 15. Has, have, had. In this lesson you will study the use of has, have, had. Has, have, had are verbs that tell us what a person or animal owns, has or eats. So you can see as example, Tanmay has a bat. So in this sentence, it is said that Tanmay possesses a bat. Tanmay and Mahesh have 3 bats. So again, it the possession of 3 bats by Tanmay and Mahesh is shown. Now they had 5 balls. So in this sentence, the possession of 5 balls by them is shown. So the verb has, have, had tell us what a person or animal owns, has or eats. Now, where is has used? Has is used with a singular noun. Singular means one. And also with he and she. It refers to the present time. Has refers to the present time. Present time is the time which is going on. Suppose I am eating a cake, so this is the present times. If I say I had eaten, so it was past because I had already eaten it. Or if I say I will eat, then it will be future tense. So had shows what someone had in the past. So had represent past. It is used with both singular and plural and pronouns. So as compared to has, which is used with only singular noun, had doesn't have some that thing. It is used with both singular and plural nouns as well as with pronouns. Have is used with I and all plural nouns or pronouns. So it is used with I and plural noun. It refers to the present time. So have refers to the present time. Now we can see a few sentences here. John has a new t-shirt. So has is used with a singular noun John. The tiger has black strips. So again has is in present tense and is used with a singular noun the tiger. I have a cold. See, with have I is used. They have with with they have is used. Here you see all plural nouns or pronouns in the present time. So they is a plural noun, so have is used in the present tense. We had burgers yesterday, so had in past tense. Yesterday means day before today. They had a party last night. So again about last night, so about past tense, again had. Whether it is singular or plural, it doesn't depend. Had is used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns in the past tense. Here see, I have, we have, you have, they have, you know, second person. I, first person, singular. We, first person plural. You, second person, singular or plural, you is there. They, it is third person. These, those also you use have. Now has, he has, she has, it has, this has, that has. So with this and that also has is used. I had, we had, you had, he, she had, they had, this, that had, these, those had. So with these is also had in the past tense. So now moving to exercise. I have a new idea for my project. See, with I have is used. Yesterday they had, in the past had. Annie has, it is present tense singular has. Baba Baba black sheep have you. Have you any wool? That plant has new leaves. And this house has a new coat of pant. You have a new hat. Amit and Anil have many pens. It's a plural, so have. With you also have. The king has. First person, it's a third person singular, so has. Last month they had. With they had. The child has. Mr. and Mrs. It's plural. Have a. It's used in present tense. Have. I had a pet bird at home, but it flew away. It's in the past. With I, had is used in the past. He has a garden outside his house. Now rewrite the sentences correctly. The swans has long necks. The swans have long necks. We have a fever. He have a fever. Is wrong. He has a fever. You has a tired look on your face. You have a tired look on your face. I have a heavy lunch last night. I had a heavy dinner last night. You can say dinner, it's a lunch only, okay? Parul have brown hair. Parul has brown hair. With third person singular, has. This room have a lot of furniture. So this room has a lot of furniture. That dog have a furry coat. That dog has a furry coat, not have.